If you're looking for a wheelchair-accessible van that's comfortable, reliable, and easy to live with every day, this 2012 Honda Odyssey EXL is a great place to start. With 93,500 miles, this Odyssey has proven reliability and is ready to keep delivering dependable performance for years to come. It's a practical choice for families, caregivers, or anyone needing everyday mobility. It features a BraunAbility automatic side entry fold-out ramp, giving you quick and convenient access at the push of a button, making entry and exit simple and stress-free. The ramp and door opening provide comfortable clearance for most wheelchairs and power chairs. Inside, the gray leather interior adds a refined, comfortable feel for both short trips and long drives. You'll also find removable driver and passenger seats, giving you flexible seating and driving configurations based on your needs. The sunroof brings in natural light, giving the cabin a more open and enjoyable atmosphere while you're on the road. Finished in a sleek gray exterior, this Odyssey has a clean, modern look that fits easily into everyday life. Powered by Honda's reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine, this van delivers smooth acceleration, quiet driving, and long-term durability Honda is known for. So if you're wanting a mobility van that's dependable, comfortable, and easy to use every day, this 2012 Honda Odyssey EXL is ready to make life a little easier. Call us today at 800-431-3183 or visit automobilitystore.com to learn more. We're here to help you find the right mobility solution.